Okay guys, welcome back. Now we will be working on registration page, the user registration. So if I just go to my front end page and click on sign up, this is the CSS file of the markup of our sign up. So if I just grab this in our text editor and copy, I think we need to copy the, for example, I think we just need the row here. If I just copy this row and then inside my resource views, and then we will create a new directory called registration, and then of course create the index.blade. And if I just save the row file, and first we need to extend the the master layout, front layouts master, and then it also has a section called content, and then we will end the section up. Okay, next we need to create a route for that. So if I just go to web.php and then route get for user/register, and of course we need a controller for that. So if I just go to my terminal and then say php artisan make controller inside our front file, and the name of the controller would be registration controller, right? Oh yeah, we need to again the route wasn't complete, that's why. So let's hide our controller terminal. So now we need to refer our controller. That's basically the registration controller. And index method. So if I just open our registration controller, oh whoops, this is another controller. Okay, now let's just create the index method, public function index, and root in the view of front registration, and then the index file. Okay, oh yeah, we just create a registration file inside out of the front inside the views. So we just move this inside front, and that's it. So if you just reload the page, if you just go to our incognito window and just click on user, just find the link of user/register, and the registration controller does not exist. So if I just say registration, there might be, the problem would be the spelling problem. Let me just fix this real quick. Yeah, the reference is missing. That's inside front folder, right? Now if I just say user register, oh yeah, the cover is still appears. We don't need this cover inside our registration. So if I just go to master real quick and just cut this header from here and then paste it inside index, so that will only show inside index. Okay, the sign up is ready. Now if we just go to our registration.blade, and then the registration blade, and then we need the name for user. Okay, the name, the placeholder would be name, and the ID would be of course name. Yeah, we need the name for user, and then the email. Okay, yeah, and the password and then address. Of course we need also the password confirmation, right? Confirm password. Password confirmation. Confirm password, right? Okay, that's it. Now it's time to work on the posting the route. Okay, so if I just say registration, user registration, okay, and then this time we'll create a post route which will of course refer to user register and the front controller and then the store method, right? So if we just say go to our registration control and then create a store method, right? And then we'll bind the request class, okay, and then die and dump request all. That will redirect all the requests. So if we just click on sign up button, oh yeah, if you just open our index.blade file, the method should be post, right? And the action, you should define the action, which is user slash registration, okay. And then of course we are using Laravel 5.6, the latest version of Laravel, so we will use the CSRF directive. In Laravel 5.5 that was something like that, CSRF field that will create a hidden CSRF cross-site request forgery file for you in order to get rid of frauds. So if I just click on sign up button, sorry, the page you're looking could not be found. Of course there might be a problem. Click on sign up. Let me just check. I think inside web.php, oh yeah, that's the register controller. We just make it a registration controller in order to work. So if I just click on sign up button now again, and let's say for example I add a name, any name, you can say user registration, the page again not finding. So let me just again go to my text editor, and yeah, the route is register, and we are finding for registration, searching for registration. So if I just go and just call it, that's it. That's now exactly working the what we need. Okay, so yep, that's it. That's working right now. I think next in the next video we'll be work on the validation part and might be the user registration part. Okay, so this video is quite long. See you in the next video.